my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Hello, I'm from the council. Are you having trouble with the new speed bump?
You know where I'll get
Hello?
It's much too high, and I'm also very, very short.
Just go over the speed bump.
I'm not sure it's that good a 4x4.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
It's alright, like, overrated as fuck in my opinion. I mean, and you know what though? That's typically how the bullshit goes, you feel me?